In this video, we're going to show you how to change the protocol type on your camera connected to an Ava Eye NVR.
CCTV Camera World is proud to provide support for products purchased from our website. If you purchased your product from another vendor, please contact the vendor you purchased from for further assistance.
Make sure you've logged in, and I'm using the HDMI interface out of the NVR connected to my TV or monitor. Go to Main Menu and go to Camera, and then click on the camera here. Now, if your camera is an Ava Eye camera, or one that we've told you works to provide VCA analytics on the NVR, if the camera is showing as protocol ONVIF, you have to just simply change the protocol. So you go here, change it to IP address. Now this is assuming you have the camera connected directly into the back of the NVR, or you're using it on your network with a static IP address that's local. Here, change this protocol to private. So I made two changes. I changed the mode from plug and play to IP address and protocol to private, and then hit OK. And then wait for the camera to reconnect to the NVR. Sometimes this screen does not automatically update. You have to hit the refresh button. And the blue circle tells me, the play button tells me that it's connected. And now the protocol does say private. So the change that I made was that I switched the protocol and set it to a IP address. So now here it is. The camera is connected, still visible. Now if I go into VCA Analytics, for this channel, I have now available to me crossline and intrusion detection, which are based on human body analytics, not for vehicle. So in my polygon here, if someone crosses here, it would detect. I'll show you how to create a rule by going back, go to VCA, hit this, draw a rule, you can change the sensitivity and such. Trigger actions let you select buzzer or pop-up window. I just want to record it. You have to set this for recording to D1 because it's channel 1, D1. I want to record. See, this is my channel D1. Make sure you hit that for it to record. Hit OK, and then arming schedule. Make sure you select all, and then hit OK. And now it'll record for all the days. Going back in there, now if I go to Tuesday, it tells me it's from 0 to 24 hours, so it's set for everything, all the days of the week. And then here, if you go into storage, recording schedule, make sure that enable schedule is selected for this channel and that event is also selected. Do this for every hour or a couple of hours you want for each day of the week. And hit apply. You can change the post-record time if you want to and the pre-record time. I like to keep mine at 30 seconds and post-record at 60, which is good. Do this for every channel. If you copy this, I don't recommend copying settings because sometimes you set commands that are incorrect for the camera, so just do it individually for each camera. And the key thing is also, I forgot to enable mine. Make sure this is checked for cross-line detection. I forgot to do that for mine. It automatically saves on this screen any settings you change. I'm going to disable the intrusion detection. And then here, the main key things were trigger actions. You have to enable recording for that channel. This is telling this command that if you sense this VCA analytics going off, being triggered, record channel 1, channel 2, channel 3, channel 4. I'm selecting channel 1 only. And then hit apply if you have to, and then that's it. And then the arming schedule, make sure you set it to 0 to 24 for each day of the week, like I did before. This provides you an overview of how to set these settings and switch your camera to basically using the private protocol. Now, in certain instances, If for some reason you don't see your camera here anymore or it's not visible, it's because we did change the configuration to the IP address for this. If you have a power outage and for some reason when the camera turns on, it doesn't have the same IP address, switch this back to plug and play and wait for the camera to turn on. It may change its IP address. So you'll basically switch it like this, press OK, turn the NVR off, turn it back on, let it reconnect, and then go back to IP address and set it to private. Thanks for watching.
If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.